In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion 2025, full tutorial. 5 minutes. We're going to link a Trello board to a Notion database using Trello's power-ups so changes stay in sync in both tools. This is ideal if your team plans in Trello but documents or tracks in Notion. I'll keep it simple and add tips so you avoid common snags. Start by signing into Trello and make sure you're in the correct workspace with permission to manage power-ups on the board you want to connect. Open that board so you're looking at its lists and cards. At the top of the board, find the Power-Ups option. Click it, then choose Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Notion. You're looking for the Notion plus Trello two-way sync powered by Unito. Click it to view details, then hit Add to install it on your board. If Trello asks for confirmation, approve it. Once it's added, look for the Unito or Notion sync icon on your board header or in the Power-Ups panel and click it to begin setup. You'll be prompted to authorize. Approve access for Trello, then sign into Notion and allow the integration. Choose the Notion workspace you want this connection to use and grant access only to the pages or databases you need for this sync. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You'll pick the Notion database that should mirror your Trello board and select the sync direction. For most teams, two-way sync works best, so updates happen on both sides. Next, map your fields so information lines up correctly. Trello card titles to the Notion name property, descriptions to a text property, due dates to a date property, and labels to a multi-select property. If your Notion database doesn't have a property yet, you can create one on the fly or adjust the mapping to fit what you already have. You can also align Trello lists with Notion status or select properties so workflow stages match. Set any rules you want, like syncing only specific lists or labels, then save and start the sync. Give it a moment for the first pass. A quick test helps. Create a sample card in Trello and confirm it appears in the Notion database. Then edit a property in Notion and check that the change reflects back in Trello. If something doesn't match, reopen the power-up settings to tweak mappings or permissions. Keep in mind, some plans may limit how many items sync, and that's it. Your Trello board and Notion database are now connected and staying in sync.